Hi everybody. I thought I would make something again because you did request it. Well, some of you requested seeing my cooking again. So today we went to Macro and we found these beautiful Australian pears. So I thought maybe I'll make a French pear cake. I've never made a French pear cake before, but we'll give it a go. But these are just absolutely humongous pears, and they were about 119 baht, so that's roughly $5, maybe $5 over. So I don't know what they would be in Australia, but let's make something out of them. Okay, so I'm going to pop 2 eggs into the mixing bowl. Whoops, you didn't see that. And then we're going to add half a cup of sugar. And I'm going to mix it until the sugar is dissolved. Then I'm going to add a half a cup of butter. The recipe says to add a quarter of a cup of creme fraiche into it. Well, I don't think we have creme fraiche here in Thailand, do we?
I can't recall ever seeing it. Probably somewhere you could get it.
Sounds very posh. Yeah. But anyway, so apparently you can add sour cream. So we're putting in a quarter of a cup of sour cream. And we're going to give that another mix. That looks all nice and mixed in now. So now we're going to mix in 1 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. So we'll just put that into the mixture. We're just going to fold that in. Apparently you can't overmix it. This might take at least 5 days for me to do this, so we'll see how we go. That looks like it should be done. The recipe said you needed 2 pears, but these were massive big pears, so I've just cut up 1 and we'll see how that goes. So I'll just put that in there. Give that a quick mix. And then I've got a lined springform pan and we'll just pop that in there. And just spread it evenly. It's a bit slippery. Now that goes into the oven at 180 degrees for about 45 minutes. So we'll just see how it goes. And 2 tablespoons of sugar on top, but I'm only going to put 1 because that's enough sugar. just got it out of the oven. Looks absolutely fabulous. So I'll let it cool in the tin for a little while and then we'll take it out and see how it goes. And here we have it. It's been cooling for a while, so I'm going to cut it and see how it is. And we're going to try it. Look at that. That looks great.
Oh yeah.
And I've got my trusty gravy, what would you call these?
Gravy boat.
Gravy boats, but we'll use it for whipped cream because we compromise everything in Thailand.
Yes, that's right.
So we'll just serve that with a bit of, well actually it's not whipped cream, it's just cream. So do you want to try it?
Well you go, you have a go.
Okay, we'll give it a go. That is absolutely delicious. I've never had something like that before. Really, really good. I don't think it's going to last very long in this house. You've got to give it a go, darling.
Righto.
You can have my piece. That is so nice. Now, I thought that cake was absolutely beautiful. I think I could have done with putting 2 pears in there. I only put the 1 pear in just in case it didn't work out, but I think next time I'd use 2. And I also think you could put apples or peaches or any sort of fruit, even berries, in the cake rather than pears, and then you could have a French berry cake, not a French pear cake. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed that, and leave a comment if you want me to make any more cakes.